Okay, so this is page 53, and after your quiz today, if you were away yesterday and did not do the catch-up last night, what were you thinking? You should have done the catch-up last night. However, at this point, you could watch yesterday's video and or just read the stuff and then do the questions associated page 41 to 50. If you were here or you did get caught up last night, pages 49 to 50 and 52 to 54. If you are finished and bored, you can do percent yield, which will be the enriched stuff for this test. All right. So on page 53, you are going to have a small selection of questions which are both simple, which is just like basic stoichiometry, which will be like the ones today, and limiting reactant problems. And sometimes people get confused because they're like, I don't know which one I'm doing. And they won't realize they need to do limiting reactant when they actually do. So here's how you can tell. You will have, in a simple stoichiometry, you'll have only one substance will be given to you. It'll be like, I have this many grams of X, okay? Okay, and for any regular stoichiometry problem, step number one is to find the moles of, and in this case it's going to be X, okay, because we got grams of X. And then you're going to find moles of B, and then you'll find whatever, yes, of B. Now, if you have a limiting reactant problem, you're going to be given two or more reactants. So, for example, you might be given 70.2 grams of X, and you might be given 92.6 grams of Y. Those are your two reactants. In both cases, you'll find the moles. And then you will find the moles of product. If you have a choice of product, you can pick whichever one you want. Because when it's a limiting reactant problem, you have to decide, choose which one is the smaller amount. Is good? So this is how you tell the difference. In one instance, you'll be given only one substance that you can find moles. For limiting reactant, you'll be given two reactants for which you can find moles. So you then have to find moles of product and choose the smaller amount. And that will also help you to determine who is the limiting reactant, okay? So that's going to be part of this 52 to 54 part. All right, and that's it for that. All right, you have a quiz.